this?
See, as a BJP member and a BJP MLA, we have to work with the Honorable Chief Minister. So, after taking necessary feedback from the center, this progress and whatever merger has happened today, it has taken place. 2/3 of the legislature wing of Indian National Congress has merged.
Do you feel now again at least पहिले ते गव्हर्नमेंट झालं तेन्ना तुमच्या फॉर्मेशनान नात आलो आता तुम्ही हाडल्या तुमकां दिसता एटलीस्ट दिस टाइम यू विल गेट अ मिनिस्ट्री और समथिंग लायक दॅट
सगळे चीफ मिनिस्टरान गेला. I am there with him.
तू त्यांच्या बरोबर येयलो तू त्यांना 10 जाणांक घेऊन तू येयला सर
विजय ड्रॉप करता
तू 10 जाणांक घेऊन येयला विजयाक ड्रॉप करताले.
That dropping of anybody is with the chief minister.
No.
He will decide tomorrow.
But are you hopeful of getting a ministry this time?
That we will come to
You took the lead in that 10 जाणांक तुम्ही घेऊन येयले ना सर.